paddle across here.
All right, so out front.
Hold on to the boat.
Yeah. So don't put all the weight in.
Put the butt down, straighten that leg, straighten. Slide that butt in. Perfect. High five, man.
All right.
We're going to scoot you out. Wiggle yourself.
There we go.
All right, hold this real tight to your body.
Okay.
Hold it.
Oh.
I'm pushing you. There you go.
All right. Bye, everyone. It was not snowing, y'all. I like it. I was actually scared I was going to fall over.
If you stay nose over navel, keep the kayak stable. If you lean that head out, you got a lot of weight to drop.
All right. So just stay
Centered.
Just keep the head centered.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay? Or you will go over.
That's all right.
Well, it's the getting back in that's hard.
I feel like it has to happen at some point, right?
Not right now.
Oh, I figured that when I first got in, it was wiggling everywhere.
So it's called nose over navel. Straight line.
Yeah.
Keeps the kayak stable. Nose over navel keeps the kayak stable. So we've got. We're good. So we're just gonna paddle right over here just a minute since you're kind of aimed that way. All right. So Mike, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Remember, do that 3 times from the back.
This?
Reach back. Reach back. Now, do 3 times from the forward on the other side. Way up towards the front of the boat.
I'm not even.
Way up towards the front of the boat.
I didn't realize I was that close.
Yeah. Now, left, right. That's your right.
Like this?
Right. Oh. Yeah. Which button? We're going to do a forward stroke. A forward stroke is going to go forward. Wherever you are, it's going to go forward from wherever you are. The boat's pointing in the direction it's going to go. So I would actually like you to turn this way. And Tracy, you do 3 strokes on the right-hand side. Come on, big strong stroke. Be mean to that water. There you go. Oh, good. We're all together.
Oh, that's pretty fun. Now, when you get the hang of it.
Yeah, move. Left, right. Slight angle. Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
Are you doing that?
I think. I feel like I'm going sideways though. Okay.
To do that, look here, Mike.
Yeah.
I'm going to flatten out the blade. I'm going to push the water right down the side of the boat. Push the water down the other side of the boat.
Okay. It's kind of like that.
Yeah, try to flatten the blade and you get real nice, strong stroke. And you can put it, put that in. Yeah, you can do it right there. Or you can try reaching back. Try reaching back. Alright. I am marching backwards. Good. I am right behind you.
Yeah. Oh.
bottle suit. Start with my toe, a V-shape, toe, a V-shape. There's Bernoulli's principle. We'll take that paddle under the boat. And if you're holding on to it, and you are, you're going to. You have no choice. It's Bernoulli's choice. Bernoulli did that to you. Stab, catch. That's why I put my elbow down and stop the blade. And throw the fish back. Stab, catch, throw. Stab, catch, throw. I'm not letting, it's not coming this close to my boat. Can you tell that? All right. Catch. Swivel, that was so close. Stab, catch, swivel. Again. Stab, catch, swivel. Look, he's coming sideways to me. Do it one more time. Stab, catch, swivel. No.
That was an incredible experience just now.